The gravity cycle. Consider a giant cloud of high-energy charges. Free charges give the cloud low mass and negligible gravity. But soon the fast charges come together, forming slow-moving simple atoms of electrons, protons, and neutrons. The cloud's mass increases 1,000 times, but there is still little gravity because the quarks move randomly. However, gradually clusters of atoms form as close quarks move in sync, forming small but growing gravity centers. Over a very long time, the gravity centers continue to grow so that quarks in all the local mass move with timing so as to form increasingly strong gravitational fields. Stars, planets, and larger atoms form. Our cloud has been chosen so that over billions of years, two giant gravity centers develop, a few million light years apart. When the two centers become large enough to reach across the million light year gap between them, they do not initially attract because they each are very massive and far apart. The distant gravitational timing cannot align with the local mass timing, which is so much stronger. After about 5 billion years, the two galactic gravity centers finally move with the same timing, so they start to attract. Meanwhile, the two mass centers include supermassive black holes. One has even become so large that a new mass is absorbed in its core. It is now so large that even protons and neutrons are crushed. At this point, the trapped quarks are no longer able to move in coordination with the galactic central mass. Therefore, gravity ceases to build as additional mass is added to the black hole, because equal mass is lost due to crushing at the center. Over billions of years, as new mass is added to the black hole, the crushed core becomes larger and the stacked nucleons form a super thick shell, but one which grows thinner as mass is added. One day the shell will be too thin and unstable to support the last mass being added, and the black hole will explode. After this explosion, we have returned to a condition not unlike our initial point. It is somewhat like the Big Bang theory, except that the bang is distributed throughout the universe rather than being at a single point. As well, the bangs are unlikely to happen concurrently, though the time offset may be only in millions of years rather than billions. Thank you.